IVVD stock closed the session of today, the 3rd of February 2025, with a gain of 193%. The company indicated that it's phase one of two clinical data for VYD2311, a monoclonal antibody designed to be a superior alternative to COVID-19 vaccination for the broad population. So yeah, the stock is equally optionable. It's a penny stock. Before today was as of Friday, it was trading at 30 cents or thereabout. It's optional, and you can see 6,651 contracts have crossed the tape for its $2 50 $2.5 strike. But we're not seeing very much on its put side because it's definitely going to pull back. And if not tomorrow, in the coming session, it's definitely going to pull back. So this is where to watch. If you have missed this opportunity to get involved, you have just have a look and see what could possibly happen on its options. On its options, it's quite rare to see penny stocks that are optionable as well. So IVVD is a stock. It's interesting. It's I mean, options being what it is. It's definitely providing us. It has provided alternatives or other ways to trade it. So we have extrapolation for its 10 period moving average on this 1 hour chart is for higher prices, and also the extrapolation for its 21 period moving average. Momentum is expected to remain intact up till the the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 4th of February. Let's see what we have on the 2 hour chart. It is currently the most active stock at the moment, overtaking Nvidia. Let's see now. We have same as well. Same on this 2 hour chart. Strength is expected to remain intact up till maybe the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 4th of February. Let's look at the 3 hour chart and see. Yeah, it's same as well. A couple of downward projections we have here: 0.4929, 0.4929. Where does that fit into this? So if it does retrace to such levels, then we're going to see some of these options, even some of these put contracts get even more expensive. But as things stand right now, maybe because maybe the market expects that it's going to pull back. We're not seeing. I mean, normally you should expect these puts to be well. In any case, they have lost their this has already lost their 0.52 cents, 0.52 cents. So yeah, so weakness is already there, So, but by the time they pull back, then you will see even they would even add more value because obviously they gain value when stocks are retracing. So let's see. Let's look at the 4 hour chart and see what we have. No upper projections, just downward projections. We have here 0.5137. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart and see what we have. It has to be a bearish. It has to be a bearish stock. So there, indeed, the stock is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, and it's currently at 1.14. The stock closed at 1.05. It's just trading at a slight discount to that moving average. And if things continue, then there's a good chance it might break through that moving average. Okay, it has a downward projection on this daily chart at 0.6477. We have 0.6062. We have 0.5398, and they go all the way down to. I don't think this is in play, but it's still relevant. 0.4463. We have 0.3909, 0.3510. So by the time that happens, you might find out that these calls will equally crash. So um, well, I mean, normally, I mean, I'm just wondering why they're not. They are, they haven't really gained a lot as such, but yeah, they gained something, 0.1. These contracts were actually trading at zero, and they gained something, but yeah, it would have been an opportunity for something to be done with them. One of those strategies, as I mean, given that the stock is likely to, it's very much likely to pull back. Let's see expirations. Let's see all of them. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything? Let's have a look at its weekly chart to see if there's anything there. Okay. There. Yeah. It's on its weekly chart. It's right on its 20-week moving average. Let's have a look at its 45-minute chart. There might be things there. This is the 45-minute chart. There isn't anything. No upper projections. There's a downward projection here of 0.4211. It may well be what might eventually turn out to, yeah, what might eventually play out. Okay, so VVYD on the move. Company indicated that it had a positive phase one of two clinical data for VYD2311, a monoclonal antibody designed to be a superior alternative to COVID-19 vaccination for the broad population. So currently the most active at the moment. How many shares? Okay, 441.1 million shares have crossed the tape. That's a huge one. That's a huge one. Yeah. So see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.